Paul here, Totally TV, back with you at Mersey, and beneath our feet is the River Mersey. It is the home to great shops, but also underneath, in the darkness, is something else. Let's go and find out.
Come on, Paul, you're going to show me downstairs.
Hang on. So let's go and find out where the magic happens. Oh, hurry up. We're going down. So we're down in the spooky frog factory, having a look at some of these unwrapped frogs as well, and some completed, but we can't tell you which ones have been completed yet. And look, here we've got Emma and Beth, who seem to be painting what looks to be a very odd Stockport County shirt from the 1700s. Is that right, Emma?
It's not. It does look like that, but it's actually going to be the periodic table. So at the moment we've only got the blue one, but we're going to put in a lot more colours, and then we're going to have the elements on there as well.
And what about the hat? That looks quite like it could be something more than just a white hat.
Mm-hmm. It will be more than a hat. We've got a bit of a science theme going on, so we're thinking it's going to be, we don't want to give away too much, but it's going to be like a chemist flask, a measuring cylinder.
Brilliant. So Emma and Beth not giving away too much with the secret, the top secret squarey blue square frog. Let's find some more. So we're back in the frog factory, and a lot seems to have happened since the last time we were here. There's lots going on, and we'll have a quick chat with Douglas, who's working on the rear end of this frog down here. How's it going, Douglas? What are we working on?
I'm doing the town hall at the moment on the back of this frog. It's all done in Stockport County colours, and I was glad to hear they got promoted at the weekend.
Very poignant, very poignant. It's looking good though. So how long has it taken you so far?
These two together have been about 3 weeks. So that one's almost finished, and this one's maybe 2/3 done, so maybe another week on this one.
Absolutely. Superb. Brilliant. So it continues. Froggate, on we go, more frogs.